I have a really tiny accessory haul to unbox today, so let's get started. These are all from the app that shall not be named, so shh. These are from my favorite accessory seller. They have jewelry, glasses, even clothes. Starting off with this pair of sunglasses from this brand. These are so fab, you guys. It comes with this case, and oh my gosh, these are so futuristic, Y2K vibes. It is these metal frame glasses with this super cool circle logo detail there, and they're tinted this pink color. They also have a tortoise shell. Oh my gosh, these are so sick. No, I love a cool pair of sunglasses. I literally don't own any regular sunglasses. It's actually an issue, but yeah, I am obsessed with these. Why spend $500 and up when you can just get them for the low, and it's literally made out of the same thing. It's just plastic and metal. Next pair of sunglasses is actually from this brand, if you know. This seller literally has everything. I can't believe it. Comes with this super cool tactical case that can even clip onto stuff. Awesome. So these are a very sporty pair of glasses for fishing or hiking, which I'm into. This is them. Are these not the sickest sunglasses ever? And these are pure metal. Okay, they're pure metal, hard metal. They're polarized with a pink and orangey yellow sheen. It's not showing up on camera the way it does in person, but just see, you can see that. And like I said, metal, so they're kind of hard to put on, but oh my gosh, they are so cool. Does anyone else have uneven ears? Every time I put on sunglasses, I have to put them on crooked because my ears just aren't even. I don't know. Is that just me? I don't know. But yeah, as you can see, they're super sick. They're very matrixy. I'm excited to use these for outdoors stuff because these are actually polarized. Everything is green. Not the easiest to put on, but they are just super, super sick. So we have just a single pair of earrings from this brand. I love these. These give me Tom Ford era energy. Everything comes with a little dust bag and box and everything. It is this pair of GG tiny little hoop earrings. I love that logo. It is so, so sickening. Here's kind of how it looks, and then it just unclicks like that. Jewelry I get from the app never tarnishes. Literally never, so it's kind of insane, but here's how they look on. So cute and chic. Last but not least, we actually have lingerie from this brand. So this cute little top, and it's completely mesh, would be so cute to layer under t-shirts. I got the size small. It comes in a set with the bottoms. I'm a 34A and these fit, so I think these could fit a 34. They fit a 32A, 32B, 34A, 34B, 30, This will fit an A to B cup. If you're a C, I would probably get a medium. I mean, it's really cute. The matching bottoms, unfortunately, are a tiny, tiny bit too small for me. I have bigger hips, so it's kind of hard to find things that fit, but super cute if you don't have a big butt. These will probably fit you nicely. But yeah, it's just such a cute set, really good quality, and very sexy. Well, that was everything I had to show you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.